Yeah.
Going Ricky last night, Steve. I seen this guy on the other day. He had a climber, you seen it? Had a push bike. And he's pedalling to pull himself up, eh?
Rightio.
I said to Ricky, he's 20 turns to go like this much. Pedaling like shit, you know what I mean? But look, he was going up pretty easy though, but he's pedaling like shit, eh? On a push bike, eh? I'm the guy on the push bike with his sender. Oh, yeah, he's pedaling like hell. You know, but it's easy pedaling, but he's like 20 miles
So if you had your bike with electric motor, he could have...
yeah. No pedaling mine, Rick. Electric motor, yeah, it's 100%. No pedaling, mate. Right.
Just, line them across about a metre apart just in case we need them.
Alright, hey, you reckon you grab the logs across?
Yep. Awesome, brother.
You might need them, yeah?
Yeah, that's what I mean, just the ones that are round.
Tell me what you want me to do as we go on and
Yeah, that's it, man.
I'll work. This is good pub drinking with this, eh?
Pardon, mate?
This is good pub drinking with this.
Yeah.
You get a pub and 2 or 3 nice cold pots. Yeah?
Yeah, it's always nice in the pub, isn't it? Have you been to that Sporting Globe?
No, what's that?
Inside this one?
No, I haven't been to mate.
It's pretty cool there.
What's that?
It's pretty cool there.
Yeah.
Like, they've got a pool table and like heaps of screens and like, my son probably never go to the pub, but we got him to go there and he likes it there now. So
there's nothing better than the fresh of the coolness going in a cool pub on a day like this, you know. And that first beer just hits you and you go, oh. You just go yum 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 yums.
put that brick over there for him, I suppose.
Hey?
I suppose if you've been over, grab that brick and throw it over. Because what I'll do is when the first branch comes down is, I'll sit it here and then I'll roll that onto it and we'll see if it'll go.
Tell me what you want to do, buddy, and I'll
So the first one that comes down that's big enough, I'll sit it there, and then we'll roll that on top.
Yep.
And then we'll see if it'll drag.
There we go. Sweet, man. You're done.
Pretty confident, so.
Hey, mate.
I'm pretty confident.
That's right. Yeah, we'll give it a burl, mate. We'll give it a burl, shall we? Huh?
If it doesn't, then we'll have to rethink the plan, but it's better to do it straight away.
You want these as long as what they are, do you? As long as you can. Yeah. And what are you going to do with them exactly, Tone? Just smoke them?
Oh, that one on my calf. Yeah. That one's already got it's got a half.
Is it easy to work with the carpet and saw? Like it's.
Oh yeah, I'm pretty good with the saw now.
No, but I mean, it's a hardened saw, like a drill dent shit to cut with this. Is it pretty good? Yeah.
That's all right. Yeah, because when it's in the log, it still stays wet.
Yeah.
I mean, even though it's hard timber, it's.
What's See, this has got bark. It's got that colour, and it's got that colour. What's the go there? Those two colours like that.
The heartwood and your sapwood. So your sapwood, your juvenile wood, they would say, so. But you get arguments over what's heartwood and what's
like a softer wood, is it?
Well, no, the outside wood is the growing wood, like so. As it gets fatter, that dark bit will get bigger.
Yeah. That's a great.
What's up with that?
This is alive.
Well, it's all alive, but it's pumping. That's pumping water like a gum tree pumps like 1,000 litres per minute.
Yeah, sucking it up.
1,000 litres per minute is going around a gum tree.
Mate, I've seen them what they call
them. That tree over there will probably get 500 litres per minute.
Yeah.
And you think, how the hell is it doing that?
Yeah, I've seen them out in Nashville. And it leaked for 3.5 hours. Just leaked like a tap. Just going out, No, bro. I'll take these.
No, where are you taking them?
Oh, I'm going to use your bag.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'll just sort of set them up. Now we'll try them. I should be alright.
We throw these on the truck. I want to cut this up a bit smaller. That's all.
Yeah, but I want to get over the truck first.
But yeah, that's right. You want to drag the tree out. Yeah, I know.
Just leave them there for a second. Roll this over.
Let me help you, brother. So if I just throw that over straight over, I'll come forward a bit.
Grab that knot, roll it from the knot.
That's just wait, if you've got 2 to go, 3 to go, so wait a minute, alright?
Yep. So here we go.
Alright. We've got 1 man's hub and then we'll go 2 men, 2 goes. Alright, you give me this one, 2 man, 4 man. Yep, then give me this one, Tony.
Lost her. But it works.
It works.
This one's not good.
Just start on the ground.
Oh, that one would have pulled it.
Pardon, mate?
That one would have pulled it.
Yeah. Come on, can we get your sword?
Well, how are we going to pull it now?
No, matey?
How are we going to pull it now?
I'll get those round. Carry it.
I'm not carrying it.
Oh, it's more round here. To the garden, mate. Just going to watch him and then we'll work.
Still with the small saw.
Yeah, no, it's because you know it's double the size of it is what it can cut.
Oh,
you know,
okay.
because it can go right round. So it can do, it can do up to that sort of.
Oh, with a small one.
Yeah. But you know, like it gets to a point where.
Probably drop this in.
Yeah.
Now almost almost.
Yeah, you can drop it in 1 or 2.
Almost one. I could tie them together. And then we could drop it real low.
Yeah, it's just that the butt at the front, which is a pain, but
Because they're two separate bits. So
yep,
if I clear this, and this bit,
yep.
this would come past.
Yeah, so yeah, like just under both.
When this,
Are they joined or?
no, they're not.
There's tension there though, eh?
Hard, yeah. I'll clean it up a bit and see how it looks.
You can see them holding each other. Like, ah. Yeah, like they're really pushing hard on each other. Just gotta. They're so tight together. They're so tight. Yeah, all right. All right, buddy.
The whole thing coming down, Tone, the whole lot.
Hey, mate. Do you want me to roll that over there a bit?
Yeah.
Just keep the protection of the shed. Should be right there, eh? Should stop anything, hopefully. Hopefully. Yeah, I'll take them.
You take them?
Nice fella. How they looking? How they looking?
Yeah, all right. That could almost come forward in that movement.
Yep.
I think it's good. You could have started doing lower to see what I beautifully over there. And then this one can fall in one that way. After that's gone, I think that'll do.
Okay. Whatever you want, mate.
Clothesline, mate. Yeah, I reckon, yeah. Here. Yeah. So that'll pick all the up here with that camera like that, will it, yeah? Like you used to know what to do, can't you, yeah? Yeah, cool, mate.
Someone's tight to the plane side and forth it. No, you're both pretty right.
Coming out the street, or street, coming out front, get mine, yeah? You're right, mate. Yep, yep. Whoa, done this. Good one, mate.
Good job, boys.
Beautiful, Tony.
Well
Beautiful, mate. Right.
I just had to trace that through.
How's the roaches coming out of these things, eh?
Had to come through.
That's juicy, huh?
Yeah, look at the cracks in it. Stress cracks. Stress.
Yeah? You want this one to pull over? You're right. Worry about.
This one will be fine. That one will need it on that one.
Right, so what
I'll
was
stand
here?
on that and
Yep.
tie it up.
Done. Yep.
Alright. I'll jump up there.
Like a little monkey, mate, please.
Yep. Have it in.
It's beautiful. Wouldn't slide that redness in the day. In the day, look at that. That's beautiful, eh? That redness of the tone.
Yeah, yeah, it is.
It's nice, isn't it? Eh?
Wish it would stay like that.
Yeah, but it won't. They'll get lighter, will it?
Yeah, I've got some more. It's actually like a nice rich colour.
Yeah.
It's got like bands across it. Like so, it's got grains and then it's got these bands.
Okay.
Strippies.
Should we?
Okay.
Maybe
Go
shit.
back there, but just get that rope out of the way. I'm going to drop this baby.
More here, don't we, eh, bro? Yeah. More this way here.
Get part of this stuff out of the way first in front.
Yep.
Oh, let's have a break, buddy. Oh. See, look at this old line. Quick burn, slow burn, fast burn.
I've only used it a little bit. I've only used it a little bit. That's good for smoking, like it's a hard wood, you know.
You got a fireplace in there? No. No, that way, Rick. Stop that way. I wish you had a big trolley with a plate on it sometimes, those big wheels on it, you know what I mean?
Yeah, I
big
do.
Plate. You got one of you?
Yeah,
You know what I'm talking about, don't you? Like a rock mover, yeah? It's like a big plate, like a big wheelbarrow wheels with a trolley and a big plate, and you walk up, big long hand and walk up and move any of these, mate, you know what I mean?
yeah.
I've got these really big rock the landscape, you know?
It's a root. Nah, it's a root. Drop it in the gap. I reckon you could do it.
Put a gap on the
Do it
roof.
properly.
Put the gap.
It's not going to drop on you, is it?
Nobody's gonna love you for getting rid of that tree. They will, mate. That's nice, that, eh, Tony?
Yeah.
Beautiful, mate, eh?
It just wants to eat wood.
Yeah.
It's the butter cutter. It's the butter cutter, mate.
That's what I'm saying. It's cutting through butter, mate, eh?
No messing around, you know.
That's nice. Done 20 hours, you say before?
Oh, no, I would have done 50 probably.
Oh, okay.
It's not going to fall on you, is it?
Nah, it can't, dude. The way you cut it like that, yeah? What? What's that thing? It's fall down stuff. What that, Bib?
Kaplunk.
Didn't gap it, but that's okay. You reckon there?
Yep.
You reckon that's a good spot? Shouldn't it be put up somewhere? Okay.
Okay, more here, mate. Yeah, yeah.
Lovely, fellas.
Nice.
Down.
Is it bleeding?
What bleeding?
The tree.
I don't know. Where?
Oh no, it's just a hinge. It's wet. Nice
What
little
did
hinge.
What did you think?
Oh, just with a hinge.
Oh, hinge.
That's the one, Dale.
That's unhinged.
It's a little bit bleeding.
Bib's happy like you.
Beautiful red. It's magnificent. Yeah.
Bib's happy with like that Rick.
You like that there, feature?
Rick took home away.
Just put it on the shoulder, I'll take it to the
Yeah.
Cool.
Call you cave woman, eh?
Okay.
I got to turn you up,
Cave
mate. Oh, it's not really there yet. That's it. I got to turn. Thanks, mate.
You guys.
Yeah, it's done. It's all, mate.
Right, well this one's a bit of a knuckly, gnarly sort of.
Yeah.
There's a nice piece here, though.
Oh, the whole
And
bit's
that's
of,
down to
the whole
here.
thing's beautiful.
I know, the whole
The
thing.
sculpting.
This is the most solid bit. Look, it's got no defects in it virtually, hey?
Yeah.
Smell it. Smell it. Beautiful. Best wood. Oh, so thin. Oh, I'll just level that through there a tiny bit. Take those off.
Look at the colour of that. Hey, water.
No, it's awesome, isn't
Been
it?
pumping some water.
Red, deep red, with a white.
Probably, I don't know. We'll probably have to cut this bastard in half. Probably,
Yes.
probably have to cut that in half, I
They
guess.
would. Yeah,
Yeah,
oh,
it's a
we
big
will,
one,
mate.
Tony.
That's a big piece.
That was a big one, huh?
That's a big piece of lumber, that one. We brought home one like this.
Yeah, I reckon maybe 3 in that one.
Tony just done some awesome bits of wood out of it, feature bits of wood out of it already, out of the one we did like this.
Got a lady diving in the water.
Big Melaleuca. Like Tony could hide behind it and poke his head out the side and just,
He was going in one of my photos I got
He's
on
got
my
no
phone.
pants on either. No
Was that
bikinis
big?
either.
Okay.
Hey?
I said, he's got no bikinis on either.
Who?
The lady diving
Yeah,
in the
he
water.
hasn't now. Yeah, no, he was a bit overdressed that day.
It looks good to be late. It looks good.
All right, what
It's very impressive, eh?
Yeah, we'll get 3 out of that one, I suppose.
out of that piece?
Yeah.
So
After the wiggle.
there's a knot under here.
Yeah.
There's a knot right there somewhere, I think.
In fact, there's
right
one
there.
written out on this side here.
So right here, do
Yeah.
it.
And there's knots
Yep.
6 inches in front, that way there,
Yeah.
yes, so there. Where your foot is now, big knots there.
That's the one I'm talking about, that knot.
That knot there,
So I'll
knot,
take it
knot,
off
knot.
right here.
Yep.
Yeah.